The rain was coming down in sheets, turning the motorway into a blurry mess. I was driving a V12 Grand Tourer, humming along at a reasonable speed. Mirrors clear, shoulder check clear. I indicated and moved into the middle lane. Suddenly, a lorry's horn blared. A 40-ton beast had appeared out of nowhere, its grille filling my window. My heart leapt. I swerved, barely avoiding disaster. The lorry driver's gestures left no doubt. I'd nearly caused a catastrophe. How could something so massive be invisible? I'd checked, followed every rule. This is the chilling reality of the blind spot, a hidden danger that can turn a routine lane change into a nightmare. The solution? It's simple, free, and right in front of us. The blind spot is the area around your car you can't see with your mirrors or your eyes. Imagine your car surrounded by a bubble of vision. Mirrors cover most of it, but not all. The gap between your side mirror's view and your peripheral vision is the blind spot. It's not magic, just geometry. Your car's pillars and your own head block the view. If your mirrors aren't set perfectly, you create a dangerous void. Motorcyclists, small cars, even lorries can vanish in that space. The shoulder check helps, but it's not foolproof. Traffic changes in a split second. The blind spot is a flaw we've been told to accept. But it's not random or inevitable. It's a problem we can solve. Your car's setup, especially your mirrors, is the real culprit. Understanding this is the first step. The blind spot is a fixable problem, not an act of fate. This isn't just about a scare, it's about life and death. Thousands of UK accidents each year are caused by drivers failing to see what's there. The main reason? The blind spot. Sideswipe collisions ruin cars, and worse, all start with a driver thinking the way is clear. Motorcyclists and cyclists are most at risk, slipping into that invisible void. "I just didn't see him," is the common refrain after a crash. Even modern cars with blind spot sensors aren't immune. Technology can fail. Relying on gadgets isn't enough. The real solution is mechanical, simple, and free. You don't need a new car, just a new way to use your mirrors. 5 minutes and a bit of common sense can save lives. Don't let your mirrors lie to you. Here's the heart of the problem. We've been taught to set our mirrors wrong. Instructors say, adjust your side mirror so you can just see your car. It feels sensible, but it's dangerously wrong. Seeing your own car in the mirror wastes space that should show the next lane. This overlap creates the very blind spot you're trying to avoid. As a car overtakes, it disappears from both mirrors, right into the danger zone. This method is a relic from a slower, boxier era. In today's fast traffic, it's an invitation to disaster. Your mirrors are for seeing hazards, not admiring your paintwork. By aiming them inward, you're blindfolding yourself. It's time to stop this nonsense. Let's fix it. The solution is brilliantly simple. The wide mirror adjustment technique. The goal? Eliminate blind spots by making your mirrors work together. Your side mirrors shouldn't overlap with your rearview mirror at all. Think of your mirrors as a panoramic screen. Each covers a different section. Set them so a car moves smoothly from rear view to side mirror to your peripheral vision, never disappearing. It feels strange at first, but you gain total rearward visibility. This isn't about gadgets or tech, just logic and a few adjustments. Let go of old habits and embrace a safer way. Your car becomes a capsule of awareness, not a box of hidden voids. Once you try it, you'll never go back. It's a paradigm shift in driving safety. Ready to see the road as you never have before? Here's how to do it. Takes 2 minutes tops. Step 1. Driver's side mirror. Sit normally. Lean your head to the window. Adjust the mirror so you just see the car's edge. Sit back now the car's gone from the mirror, replaced by the next lane. Step 2. Passenger side mirror. Lean your head to the center of the car. Adjust the mirror so you just see the car's edge. Return to normal. Now you see the other lane, not your car. Step 3. Rear view mirror. Adjust for the widest view out the back window. No headrests, no faces, just the road. Now your mirrors work in harmony. You have a seamless panoramic view. No more blind spots. It's that easy. Don't wait. Do it now. You'll wonder how you ever drove any other way. This is the fastest, cheapest safety upgrade you'll ever make. 2 minutes for a lifetime of safer driving. That's a bargain. Still skeptical? Here's how to prove it works. Grab a friend and head to an empty car park. Sit in the driver's seat, have your friend walk from behind your car down the side. Watch them in your rearview mirror. As they leave that mirror, they should instantly appear in your side mirror. As they leave the side mirror, you'll see them in your peripheral vision. No moment of invisibility, no blind spot. Repeat on the passenger side. The result? A seamless chain of sight. You've just mapped your car's visual field. Now lane changes are based on certainty, not hope. That's real safety. When you first drive with your mirror set this way, it'll feel odd. You'll miss seeing your own car in the mirror. Your brain will need time to adjust. Don't change them back. This weirdness is your brain rewiring. Stick with it for a journey or two. Soon you'll track cars moving smoothly from mirror to mirror, never disappearing. The initial discomfort fades fast. You'll feel empowered, not blind. After a few days, this will be your new normal. The old way will feel unsafe and claustrophobic. You'll notice others' blind spots and want to fix them. 10 minutes of weirdness for a lifetime of safety, it's worth it. The problem, the proof, and the solution are all here. Most people's mirrors are set dangerously wrong, creating blind spots that cause thousands of accidents. You can fix this in 2 minutes for free. This isn't a suggestion, it's your duty as a driver. If you ignore this, you're choosing to be a danger on the road. Don't rely on luck when certainty is available. Go to your car now and adjust your mirrors. Feel the difference, then show others. Teach your friends, family, and anyone you drive with. If you see someone's mirrors set wrong, speak up. This isn't backseat driving, it's saving lives. One car at a time, we can fix this. Adjust your mirrors, and tell everyone else to do the same.